Nakakapagod pala siya.
We need half a can, but this is 1 can! Go slowly.
Naiyak na.
Hi, I'm Idge, and this is Cooking with Newbies. On this new episode of Cooking with Newbies, I'll be helping Mark over here to bake very easy cupcakes. So Mark, why don't you introduce yourself?
Hi, I'm Mark. I'm the newbie. I'm from inspirations.com. I'm a photographer, I'm a blogger, and I'm a videographer.
Can you rate your baking skills from 1 to 10?
I think it's a -3.
-3?
I really can't bake.
Okay, let's stop this. Okay. So, don't worry because our recipe is very easy. And our recipe for today, we are doing... Are you ready? Are you ready? We are doing cheese cupcakes!
Okay.
See? Very easy. Very basic. Even kids under 10 years old can do this. So, I'm sure you're more than 10 years old and you can do this. So, you just have to follow the recipe. First up, 1.5 cups all-purpose flour.
Okay.
Alright. Fill up your measuring cup. A little more. Okay. You don't need to tap it.
Okay.
That's fine. Alright, a little more. We're gonna make a snow mountain. Snow mountain.
Okay.
Alright, so you use this to level it off. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Put it in the big bowl. I will give you a tip for the other half cup. Alright. Fill it up first.
Okay. I'm shaking right now.
Don't be nervous, Mark. This is easy.
Okay. Ay, sorry.
Now, wait, before you level it off,
Okay.
I will demo. So, you do like this,
Okay.
and then you...
Okay.
Okay, and then the other one. Yay! That's perfect. And now you can put it in the bowl.
Yeah. So 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour.
Yes.
Okay.
Next, half a tablespoon of baking powder. You can do the same trick.
Okay, and then here.
Yes. Next.
So in
There's the
baking,
salt.
it has to be really precise. No?
Yes, we have to be precise because baking is a science.
It's a science.
Yes.
So you
So
can't-
every little measurement is very important to make sure that our end product is yummy. All right, so let's do the half teaspoon salt.
Okay. Half a teaspoon.
Half a teaspoon. Measure it first. Also, you want to level it off.
Okay.
Yes, all right. Then we have to measure half cup butter. So this bar of butter is actually 1 cup.
Okay.
And then 1 stick of butter is half cup. So we just need half a cup. So we can just slice the bar into 2 sticks. We're just gonna cube the butter. Don't be nervous. All right, next ingredient is 1/3 cup sugar. Baking is actually very relaxing.
Yeah.
So, you don't have
I'm
to
so
be in a
relaxed
hurry.
right now. Okay. It's so different from cooking.
From cooking.
Because when I cook, I just eyeball everything.
Okay, that's sugar.
Okay.
2 large eggs. Break the egg onto your tabletop
Okay.
just to make sure that we don't put eggshells in the bowl.
There.
Oh, perfect! See? It's very good.
Okay, 2 eggs.
Okay, so what we'll do now is combine the butter and the sugar. And then just mix it all up. We want it to be light and airy for it to turn into a pale yellow color. So we
This is
want
enough.
air. We want
Okay.
air so that our product will be light and airy. So just
So there's
mix
there's no particular direction on how I should mix this.
whatever is comfortable for you actually.
Nakakapagod pala siya.
Yes, yes. You need biceps.
Parang
for
forearm
this.
ko, workout. This is my workout for the day.
Alright, I think this is good. This is good. I think what you did is as good as what an electric mixer can do. If you're just starting off with basic, simple recipes at home, you can start with a whisk and a strong arm. We are now going to add the eggs and the vanilla extract.
There.
Okay, just mix it all up.
We're serious about not having an electric mixer, ah.
Yes, no electric mixer for now. Maybe when we level up into another recipe. On our next episode, we'll have an electric mixer. All right, so after adding the eggs and our vanilla extract, we will add the condensed milk.
Okay. How much?
Actually, we need half a can.
Half a can.
That's okay. That's okay.
This is
right?
okay?
That's okay.
Alright.
We need half a can, but this is 1 can. Go slowly.
Okay.
So just about half of that container. Yes. Okay. I think that's enough.
Alright.
All right. You might want to get the sides also. Okay. Next up, you can add the dry ingredients into the bowl. So mix, mix, until we don't see any of the flour in the bowl anymore.
Looks very different from what we started.
Yes, looks very different. Why don't you show it to the camera?
Now it's heavier too. Does it look okay so far?
No. Yes, of course it is. Of course, we don't have a cheese cupcake without cheese. So our special ingredient for today, cheese. So you just need 1 cup first. You know what? You just eyeball the 1 cup because more makes sense, more fun. So you want a lot of cheese. You can go slower to get longer strands.
Okay. Ay, baligtad pala.
You know what?
Kaya pala walang lumalabas. Okay. Ayan. Okay.
There you go! There you go! We have cheese! We have cheese!
Commercial break pala yun. Okay, there. So the slower you grate cheese, the
longer the
okay.
strands. So yeah.
And make sure to flip it over the right side.
And use the side that has the...
Is that okay?
I think we're fine.
Okay.
I think we're good.
Right.
For the main base of our recipe, we're just gonna use 3/4 cup of the cheese. Because the rest will be used as topping. So why don't you add 3/4 cup
Okay.
there already? We added everything.
Ay! Okay. Meron pa naman
That's
tayo.
fine. Okay.
Okay.
You can grate the rest and we can use that for topping later. That's
Okay.
fine, right? The cheesier, the better.
The better.
Okay. Are you using the right side?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Okay. Just set this aside.
Okay.
Don't add that. Don't add it to our bowl. Then mix this again.
Mix this again.
Mix it.
With the mixer.
You can use your
Okay,
spatula now
okay.
because it might be harder to mix it. You want to take care of the batter, not to overmix, just to fold it all together.
So how do we do this?
We want to fill up the liners 3/4 of the way because we don't want it to overflow. So 3/4 is fine. Okay, and then don't forget we're gonna add the cheese topping
Okay, there.
on top. Yes.
Cheese topping.
Yes, actually you just need about 1 to 2 teaspoons, but you can just eyeball that. Are you excited?
Yes.
Okay.
My
Yay.
first cupcake
Yay.
ever. Hopefully it comes out okay. Yan.
It's fine. All right.
Yes.
We're good. Are you happy?
Wala ba tayong finished
Are you
product na
happy?
lang?
No shortcuts here. So what you want to do, why don't we tap it a couple of times so that we make sure everything's even. All right. Are you happy with the cheese topping?
It looks good.
You know what's next?
Oven time.
Oven time. Put it in there.
So how many minutes?
The recipe suggests we bake it for 30 minutes.
Okay. Hey, ready na.
Wow!
Pasado.
Pasado! 100!
Okay, mukhang ano.
Looks
mukhang
good.
masarap.
Let's
Try.
let it cool first. What do you think? Very classic, no? You wanna try it?
Ay, ang bango. Pwede na, pwede na.
Let's try it. Go, you first. It's cooked all the way. And looks cheesy. What do you think, Mark?
Pwede.
Pwede? Actually, masarap talaga siya. Mark, pasado! It looks just like the photo sa website. Perfect!
Yay!
For a newbie like you, I'm sure everyone else can follow and do the same recipe at home. And yung ubos talaga namin on cam. What do you think is your baking skill level now? How do you
Now?
rate it?
I think 5 or 6.
No level up from -3.
Based
Hanggang
on
5.
based on this very
Yes,
easy
I think
recipe.
so. I think so. Because you got all the basics. procedures locked in and ready so you can level up to the next recipe.
If kaya
That's
ko,
the
kaya
next
din
step.
nila.
Yes! Yes, and of course, you can find those recipes online on yummy.ph also.
I have one recipe, baking recipe in my bag for my daughter. Hopefully next time, second na.
Alright, so we hope you enjoyed this episode. And if you want to see and cook more easy recipes like this one, visit yummy.ph or hit the subscribe button on YouTube to find our best recipes online. See you next time.